Asibingelele-ke sikwamukele-ke kuyona-ke i-channel yethu-ke lena-ke sicela isiqinisekiso usicindezele laphana-ke usubscribe button uzoyithola ishisa-ke iy'ndaba zomkhonto kanye nezinye nje iy'ndaba ey'trendayo eNingizimu Afrika. Insizwa-ke laphana-ke eneminyaka engu-51-ke ikade-ke ishayise laphana-ke imoto kamongameli Uzuma kumbe i-former president uJacob Zuma idedele ngemadlana nje engatheni engu-500 rand, kodwa-ke icishe yalimaza-ke i-state president, okuyinto-ke leyo-ke engadlalanga kahle kakhulu-ke kumalungu omkhonto wesizwe phakathi-ke akufeza khona ukuthi-ke impilo kabamongameli-ke uJacob Zuma ikhombisa ukuthi leli zwe-ke ayikhathalelwe neze. Bekhuluma laphana-ke ey'nkundleni ezokuxhumana siphinde futhi sikubuyisele emuva bheke kancane ukuze ukhumbule ukuthi-ke kuke kwaba khona iy'khalazo zokuthi-ke ukuphepha kamongameli akukho semgangathweni-ke khala-ke bona iy'phathimandla zesikhashana-ke zomkhonto wesizwe njengoba lazi phela umkhonto wesizwe kusakhona ama-interim structures kuke bekhala-ke ukuthi-ke eyokuphepha kamongameli wabo akukuhle kahle ngesizathu-ke sokuthi-ke unciphiswe-ke laphana-ke ezokuphepha-ke zakhe laphana-ke umongameli thintwa-ke umnumzane-ke ucele embikweni esuthathe laphana-ke kwi-SABC kuthiwa-ke washo nje kahle ukuthi angeke kwazi ukudiscussa-ke iy'ndaba zokuphepha zikamongameli in public, kodwa yena ngokwazi kwakhe umongameli uthola ukuvikeleka okumufanele futhi ukuvikeleka nanombani-ke angakujabulela-ke a state president. Kodwa-ke ubese-ke phawula-ke laphana-ke interim president-ke womkhonto wesizwe okuwumongameli wesikhashana womkhonto wesizwe-ke umnumzane uKhumalo emva kokuthi-ke kuthathiwe laphana-ke isinqumo laphana sokucaphuna-ke kwi-clip esiyicaphune nathi laphana-ke kubabiki bezindaba abakhulu-ke i-SABC. Akuzuzwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ubaba uKhumalo-ke na uthini ngalolu daba.
Mr. The issue here is that the security of the president has been compromised purposely, and we believe that this action is not unjustified, because the person that just appeared now has been given a bail of 500 rand, which is nothing as opposed to what he has done to the president of our country, the president that has been in the leading in the government. So what we are saying is that there is a foul play. By no means. There is always has been the plan to deal with President Zuma. If you remember the utterances from Balula, the utterances from Bheki, and also Bheki, for him not to take action swiftly on this matter, it means that they don't care about President Zuma.